Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you fragrances or perfumes. I get so many compliments whenever I wear them, whether from random strangers, friends, family. Like these are head turners. If that is something you are interested around, you might just love one or two I'll be sharing today, as well as feel free to leave your most complimented fragrance at the comments. Remember, we are all here to learn, improve, and be great. If you haven't subscribed yet as well, feel free to subscribe so you can join us and we all improve and be great. So let's quickly jump in and starting at number one. Oh, before getting into the fragrances, I have some honorable mentions here, and these are actually fragrance mist. They are so potent that I get so many compliments whenever I wear them. They are strong enough and can pass as fragrances. Like these are so good. I equally use them to layer my fragrances with to increase the longevity. Like this smells so good. This one is Brazilian Crush 62. This gets me smell so good like pistachio ice cream. This is equally Bare Vanilla from Victoria's Secret. This equally smells so good. Like if you want to enhance your natural skin scent and have people always ask you what you're wearing, like you smell so good but you cannot dictate a fragrance on you, like you just smell good. This is so good, like next to skin, and these are compliment getters. These are honorable mentions because they can pass for fragrances. They are strong enough, they are potent, and I equally get lots and lots of compliments whenever I wear them. So Brazilian Crush 62 and Bare Vanilla from Victoria's Secret. These are my best fragrance mist. I get lots of compliments whenever I wear them. And now starting at number one, that fragrance I get lots and lots of compliments from so many people, friends, family, random strangers, because it is so fresh and welcoming, is my Chanel Chance Eau Tendre. This is already, as you can see, I hit the bottle already. I'm done. The dents, you can see it is all done, and this is my second bottle I just got. Like this is a happy scent, mass appealing. Everyone will love it. You can wear it to a wedding, you can wear it to work, you can wear it to a party, everywhere. Like this is so versatile and like so good. People gravitate towards me whenever I wear this, and I get lots and lots of compliments, and I had to get a second bottle. Even though I have so many fragrances, I still could not let go of my Chanel Chance Eau Tendre. So this is my second bottle. Trust me, I love this and I'll always have this in my collection. Now, the second fragrance I recently just got from Nordstrom. I went shopping and one of those perfume ladies asked me to try the perfume on, and trust me, from first sniff, I just fell in love. Is this Sky Vanilla from Skylar. This smells so good. I've worn it just 2 times, and each time I wear the fragrance, I get so many compliments. People tell me, you smell so edible. Like this will get your man crazy. This is so edible, and men tend to gravitate towards perfumes that are edible. Like this is that soft, fresh, cozy vanilla. Your man will just love it on you. If you're looking for a fragrance to get compliments from your man, just rush and get this one. This is so edible, like your man will want to eat you up. So if you don't want to get pregnant, stay away from this one because your man will be all over you, and this is so good. I'm talking from experience. So, and the vanilla is equally fresh enough to be worn year round. You know, vanilla fragrances tend to be heavy and you feel like wearing them during winter period, but this is fresh enough to be worn year round. So this is versatile. You can wear it wherever. It is good enough to wear to a party, cozy enough to wear for date night. Like this is so good. Like I just got it and I'm loving it so much. So Vanilla Sky from Skylar. I actually have a short story with this third fragrance, and I actually got to smell this the first time on a friend in a wedding. She passed by and I got that whiff of a very fresh, beautiful, warm fragrance, I could not help but rush to ask her what she is wearing. Like, she took the show. She smelled so good and I could not help but ask and get one for myself. And the fragrance is Nectarine Blossom and Honey Cologne from Malone. I was surprised because I get to hear people say Malone fragrances don't last, but trust me, all day I could still get the whiff of this fragrance from my friend's body. She smelled so sophisticated, so rich, so appealing, like so good. This is one of my best. Like, I'm scared this might take the position of my Chance au Tendre. I love this as much as I love the Chance au Tendre, but I plan on wearing this more to social gatherings, like those happy social gatherings, weddings. Like, this is so good. This is so fresh, soft, not overpowering, so good. Like, I am not into those very strong fragrances that turn me off. I like beautiful, soft, yet projecting fragrances that smell so good. And these, so good. If you're looking for a wedding fragrance, you want something to wear on your wedding day, just get this and trust me. Or if you're attending a wedding, you're already grown and you're not still planning on getting married, just keep this for your special wedding fragrance or for special gatherings you want to stand out and smell so fresh and welcoming. I love this so much, and shockingly lasts on me for around 8 to 10 hours, most especially when I spray it on skin and clothes. So it lasts longer on your clothes. On my skin, I still get the whiff for like 6 hours, and it lasts even longer on clothes. The next day, I still get this on my clothes. Like, this is so powerful. I was given another sample, which is, when I got this, I was given a sample of their wood sage and sea salt. This is so good as well, but it doesn't last on the skin like this. And this smells more sophisticated, while this is basic. So this is my go-to. So many people love the wood sage and sea salt, but trust me, this is basic for everyday use. But this, if you want to get compliments, if you want to turn heads, get Nectarine Blossom and Honey, and trust me, you'll come back thanking Risa. If that is something you're looking for, a good fragrance for special occasions, this is it. Now, this next fragrance is my most cheapest, but I get lots and lots of compliments whenever I wear this fragrance. This is $29 I got from Target. The fragrance is Not Another Cherry from Finery, or the perfume. This smells so good and lasts long on the skin for the price. This should be one of my most value for money perfume I've ever. Like, this is so good. This can pass for a very expensive perfume. This smells exactly like Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. I have the Tom Ford Lost Cherry, which is far, far more expensive, but this does the job just like Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. This is so fresh yet smoky and seductive. Like, this is so, like, if you want to smell so sexy and seductive, get this. If you can't get the Tom Ford's Lost Cherry, just get Not Another Cherry from Finery. You can get it from Target. This smells so good. Value for money. Like I always just love to have this on me. So sexy and beautiful. Trust me, get this and you will come back thanking me. So sexy, date night appropriate. Your partner will be all over you and you will get lots and lots of compliments whenever you wear this. So good, and it lasts long on the skin for the price. Like 6 hours I get to still smell this on me, and on clothes it lasts even longer. So Not Another Cherry from Finery, and you can get this from Target. Now, this next fragrance is close to my heart. This gives me that elevated vibe. Like, you've made it in life. You've worked hard, spoil yourself. This is so good. It smells so good, and I get compliments like you smell so rich, you smell so sophisticated. This is another level of fragrance. This is so special. I love this fragrance so much. This is sophisticated vanilla. Like if you want to smell rich, get this. It is a little bit on the pricey side, but it is worth every coin you will spend. This is Gentle Fluidity Gold from MFK. Like this perfume is just so unique. If you want to stand out, you want to smell good, you want to go to a high-end occasion, or like you just want to smell great, this is it. Like the compliments I get whenever I wear this are just so wow. This is so good. Plus, I don't just wear this for compliments. Whenever I wear this particular fragrance, I feel so elevated. I feel like I've worked hard and I need to feel great. And I feel great actually whenever I wear this. I love it. Like this is it for me. Like this is one of my 5 for life. Like if you tell me, Risa, get just 5 fragrances for life, this is definitely one of them. Like this is my fragrance for life. I just pray this is always in stock, and this encourages me to work hard. Like this tells me life is good. This fragrance communicates to me, Risa, work hard, life is good, because the fragrance smell like life is good. So this is it. I get lots of compliments. Gentle Fluidity Gold from MFK. So it's not like I don't get compliments from other fragrances I have, but those are not really mass appealing like these. These are fragrances that everyone, I notice everyone loves. Like I get compliments from friends, family, random strangers. Like these are the ones that are mass appealing. You get to wear them year round. They are not for specific seasons like winters, summer. These are year-round fragrances I wear all the time and get so many compliments, because I always want to get value for my money. So I tend to buy fragrances that I can wear all year round, not just fragrances for specifically winter or summer, even though I have a couple that are for specific seasons. But I tend to buy fragrances that I can use all year round to enjoy my money, to get value for my money, and not just buy fragrances and worship, look at them and wait for the next season, you know. So these are really compliment getters. So in conclusion, if you're looking for an everyday fresh fragrance you will get so many compliments from, get this Chanel Chateau Tendre. This is so fresh, welcoming, happy. You will get so many compliments. Like I get so many compliments when I wear this from random strangers, friends, family. My husband even tends to tell me at times, this smells so sexy. This is so good. Like this is a fragrance for life. If you want something that will get you so many compliments and you smell so good for your date night, get this Not Another Cherry from Finery. You can get this from Target or Tom Ford's Lost Cherry, but this is just as good as the Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. So just get this Not Another Cherry from Target, and trust me, on your date nights, you will get compliments. Your man will be all over you. If you're looking for something for special occasions like a wedding, special happy occasions that will get you lots of compliments, everyone will gravitate towards you, not a very complicated fragrance, just go ahead and get the Nectarine Blossom and Honey from Malone. You will get so many compliments like, this smells so good and sophisticated. You smell so rich and high-end. And if you want to smell like an elevated woman, a sophisticated woman, like I wear this fragrance when I dress so well. Like when I dress so sophisticated, I complete it with this fragrance and I'm just like money. Money, money, money. This is so good. High-end, elevated woman fragrance. And lastly, this is a very beautiful signature everyday fragrance. If you're looking for a signature scent, like something for your everyday, people can identify you with, this Vanilla Sky from Skylar. This is so good. Fresh, cozy, and beautiful vanilla fragrance. you will fall in love. You will get so many compliments from people. Like all the fragrances I shared with you today, with you are mass appealing. I have complicated fragrances. I know I cannot add them to this list because some of the fragrances I have, I just wear them to feel good about myself. Like not everybody will love, just a few people will understand what you're wearing, but these ones are mass appealing. People will love. They are so beautiful, and so yeah, feel free to share with me your most complimented fragrance at the comment section. Remember, we are all here to learn, feel good, enjoy the little things of life, and be great. Life is not that serious. These are the little things that make me happy, apart from my God. These are the little things that make me happy, and I thought of sharing with you. Share the video with your family and friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for love. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and thank you for loving me, and bye.